Well, it's definitely something within the winch. Alright, this is what today's video is about. I was doing a video on my Factor 55, then all of a sudden the winch quit. I was using the remote control winch part, and I also have in-cab winch controls. So with the in-cab winch controls, we can flick a switch and there's supposed to be a red light there, no power. So there's only one tool I need to troubleshoot this, and that's my Power Probe 4. First thing we're going to do is start checking the obvious. Pop the hood open. So the winch lead is definitely connected. So it goes inside that box. Let's just do a little pinch right there. 12 volts. So we have power going to the relay, but no power going to the switch. Whether I use the remote or not, the power has to be somehow screwed up in this box. Alright, here we are. So looking at the electronics here, we got the relay, and there's also a yellow and blue wire. So either way, which is going to go in the switch, either in or out, is going to send power to either the blue or yellow, which is going to reverse or forward the winch. As we need to follow the power, and we need to test this red wire right there. So indeed I do have 12 volts. Let's jump our wire here. Circuit breaker resetting. So we can reverse, but it seems like we can't go forward, which is really odd. Oh, there we go. Well, I definitely found one of my problems right down here, that's for sure. Broken wires. Let's grab some tools, fix that up. This little gun sure heats up fast. So I'm going to apply power directly to there. So I'm not reading anything. Interesting. But I got power here. $12 volts. So I definitely know I got power there. That part reverses. Now what doesn't work is the end cab winch controls, which is leading me to believe that when those wires came off, they must have touched ground, shorted out, blew the fuse wherever it is for this. I can't remember where I put it, but I'm sure if I could find out if there's a fuse or something, I'll be able to fix this. If I give the switch power, we can start winching it in, which is good. But why I can't operate it from there is another story. Do is just reel it. What I'm gonna do is just connect the power and reel it in. And we're pretty close. Trace the power back to this lighter port right here. Bet you we got a blowing fuse. And this is our fuse outside here. Oh, you're stuck in there, little stubborn bugger. Only thing I got outside are these wire cutters, but they'll work. Put the new one in. Hasn't blown yet. Hopefully you could see that one there is shot. So replace the fuse, power, back in business. I got it back together. That part works. Well, I'm glad we got that all sorted out. There's a few things that threw us for a loop. One of them being the electrical connections and the box came out. One of them must have created a short. We blew the fuse, and it wasn't until after we fixed the wires, put the box back on because it has to be properly grounded, that we had power back in the remote. And then in-cab winch controls would not work. That is run by separate power source, which turned out that we blew that fuse, fixed that, everything's back up and running. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on troubleshooting no power to a winch. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.